Clayton Bailey here, Greenstein Home Inspections. We're doing a inspection in Dallas in a 60s house, and before we get on roofs as inspectors, we always go in the attic to make sure that it's safe to walk on the roof. So I'm glad we did on this one because we've got some broken rafters. I'm going to show you kind of what I'm talking about from the roof side. So I'm going to approach this so that you can see it from there. So let me flip this video around so you can see it. Now as we walk up to this area, you see a depression right here in the roof, and there's a little seam actually right there in the roof, and this is a fairly new roof. So if you come down here, I'm going to stay away from that area, but there's also some depressions down here in the skylight. So here we are back in the attic. You can see right here that this rafter is broken. So that's what we got, a split there, and then it split right there if you can see it. And then as I come over here, you can also see that we've had a leak in the valley, and that deck board is pulled, and it's just got very poor support, and you can see the water stains coming down, especially from that side. Clayton Bailey, Greenstein Home Inspections, we're out.